In statement 1, all A's are B's. It can be represented as, according to the Venn diagrams, we will take one set A and another set B and we'll fill it. We can represent all A's or B's like this because A is included in B. A part of B is A. In advanced questions, they can ask even more by using few phrases like any A's are B's, each A's are B's, every A's are B's, only B's are A's. In any case, we can represent the same. Now, the second one is some A's are B's. Here, some A's are B's. A I represented and I added, I named it, and now I'll draw B is shaded, named it, and the intersection part I colored it. This is what some A's are B's. This is the representation, and in well advanced phrases, if they asks in the logical syllogisms, they can interpret the keywords like at least A's are B's, at least some A's are B's, almost A's are B's, generally A's are B's, mostly A's are B's. You should represent it this type of Venn diagram. Now the third point, it's some A's are not B's. Some A's are not B's. I can represent A set here and I'll shade it and I'll name it, and because this is not related to B's, I'll write the set B near distance, and as some A's are not B's, I'll shade, I'll cut a little from A, and after that I'll draw B, shaded it, named it, that some A's, that part nowhere related to B. This is what the exact representation of some A's are not B's. Then definitely you will achieve good result. Here the fourth is no A's are B's. So here we will notate set A and colored it, named it, and set B, colored it and named it. No A is related to B's. No A's are B's. There is no relation. This is the representation of the fourth statement in syllogisms. No A's are B's. And as I already told, there are few other phrases which are used in the advanced logics. They are no one from A is B, none of A is B, not single from A is B. Meaning here is same. So representation is the same. So these are the basics. Thank you. All the best. Now questions. Few statements are provided. All table are laptop. Some laptops are computer. all computers are smartphones. The conclusions: some table are computer, some table are not computer, and blah blah. And the options are provided. And here, first, according to the question statement, all table are laptop. So this is table, then this is laptop. All table are laptop. So table is inscribed inside the laptop. And the second statement, some laptops are computers. According to that, the shaded part between computer and laptop, computer and laptop, is provided here. Yes or no? The laptops, the relation between a laptop and computer is there, but not table and computer according to the statement. So now it's all computers are smartphones. So computers are inscribed in smartphones. So the shaded part and the computer and smartphone and everything is given here. Now the conclusion one: some tables are not, some table are computer. This is the statement conclusion. Some table or computer, there is no way related to it, so conclusion 1 is wrong. And some table are not computer, some table are not computer, even this is wrong, because I don't even know whether the table is related to computer or whether the table is not related to computer. But in these two statements, one statement definitely true. So either or, either or, one or either 1 or 2 should be followed. And now, some laptops are smartphones. Some laptops are smartphones. Yes, because smartphone consists computer and computer is shaded with. Yes, definitely 3 follows. And now, some laptops are not smartphones. Some laptops are not smartphones. If some are smartphones, definitely some are not. Yes or no? So definitely we can say the some laptops are smartphones. I can say some laptops are smartphones. Some can be represented as all, but some laptops are not smartphones. I don't even know whether the few laptops are not smartphones, so this statement is wrong. So either 1 or 2 and third follows. So the option 4 is the right choice. Statements: all fans are lamps, some lamps are birds. The conclusion here: some birds are fans, all fan being birds is a possibility. Now the options: if only 1 follows, then follow 1. If only B follows, then conclusion 2. If only C, either 1 or 2, and neither follows. Now set A is a fans, and the other set, it's a lamps. As the first statement explains, all fans are lamps, so fans are included in lamps. Lamps includes fans. And the second statement, some lamps are birds, so we are sharing lamps and birds. So lamps and birds shared. Now these are birds and I am just shading. Then the first conclusion, some birds are fans. How the birds can be fans? They are nowhere related to, there is no relation according to the statements. There is the relation only between birds and lambs, but there is no other relation between birds and fans. So statement, according to the statements, conclusion 1 is false. So it's false. All fan being birds is a possibility. Yes, here it can be fans, and here can be fans, here can be fans, here, here, because it's a possibility. So these fans all together in birds. So conclusion 2 follows. మీకు ఒక ప్రశ్న ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, ఇది ఎస్ఐలో, ఆర్ఆర్బిలో, వీటిలో